I was doing a self-cleaning on my GE profile oven and it has started beeping and flashing F2. What does that mean and what do I need to do? The door is locked. The oven was about halfway through the clean cycle. I only do a self-cleaning once a quarter and had all the loose stuff out of the oven.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
The oven is 15 years old. Wait a moment and I will get the model number, JKP56S0D1SS. The beeping has stopped.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible, yes. If I need to, though, I will call Orner's Appliance to service it since they installed it originally.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
What should I do? What about the flashing F2? What does that mean? How do I get the door to unlock? Will the oven be operable?
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note: the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. For the GE electric ovens and some others, F2 means it thinks the temperature is 590 degrees or higher with the door unlocked, or 990 degrees with the door locked. You can try turning off the oven and turning it back on to try to resolve the error. And also, once the self-clean setting is programmed and started, does the oven in fact lock the oven door, and does the door locked light illuminate?
I tried to turn the oven off but it won't allow me to do so. Should I wait for a while? The F2 is no longer flashing.
Okay, so if the oven does in fact lock the oven door and the oven door locked light illuminates but you're getting the F2 error code, the issue is most likely the electronic control board itself. Okay, so if the F2 is no longer flashing, is the oven now turned off of the self-clean cycle?
The self-cleaning setting is off and the only thing blinking is door locked. My guess is that it is cooling down and eventually unlocked the door. Is this a reasonable assumption?
Yes, you are correct. Once the oven cools below 500 degrees, the oven door should then unlock. Then you can try to run the self-clean again if you would like.
Thanks for your help and support. You have been wonderful to work with, Woody. Will I be able to get an email of this conversation to keep with my records, please?
This chat should already be tied to your email address. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance. Woody.
You have 5 stars from me. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a safe rest of the week. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.